Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix an Android if outgoing calls don't ring. If you are calling someone and your outgoing calls doesn't ring, so let's see how can you fix it. The first way is that you have to check for your volume that your volume has been full. You have to check your volume during the call, and after that, if your outgoing call doesn't ring, so you just have to look for your signal strength. You have to make sure that you have mostly signal strength. If you won't get it, you just have to enable airplane mode in your phone. Just enable it. Then briefly wait for 10 or 15 seconds. Then disable it. In this way, you will make a quick refresh into your network settings. And after doing this, you have to wait for some briefly 10 or 15 seconds for the signals and then after that just make a call. But if your outgoing call doesn't ring, so you just have to make a last step, which is restart your phone. You just have to press and hold your power button and then tap on restart your phone, and after that you have to try to make a call. But if you have saying the same issue, you have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for system management, and here you have to select reset option. Just tap on it, and here you have to select reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth. Just tap on it, and here you have to tap on reset settings, and it will make a reset into your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile and data network. In this way your all color settings will be reset. If you have enabled any settings in your phone which is not fixing you can easily fix that by using the method. But if your problem doesn't solve, you have to restore your phone. So that's how you can easily fix an Android if outgoing calls don't ring. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.